This is the heart of a $3 million monster. Everything begins in fire. Aerospace-grade aluminum titanium alloy. This intricate mold will be used only once. And then it will be destroyed. From the fire, it is born. But right now, it's just a useless lump of metal. Now, the real challenge begins. Precision.
This $2 million machine will carve the cylinders.
It will run non-stop for 72 hours.
Scanning initiated. Surface analysis active. Tolerance levels confirmed. Analysis complete.
What is it looking for? It's hunting for.
An imperfection smaller than a human hair.
A single 1-micron scratch account.
This entire $50,000 engine block is thrown in the trash.
The block is perfect, but a cage cannot move. It needs the jewels inside.
It is so perfectly balanced, it could spin on the tip of a finger.
These jewels are forged from titanium, the material of spy planes. Because they are designed to survive 500 explosions every second.
And this is the most human part.
It is finished, a 1,000 horsepower sculpture, but it is still just a sculpture.
This is the armor. A carbon fiber exoskeleton.
It's strong enough to survive a 300 kilometers per hour crash. But the most amazing thing
is that it's made from this.
This is carbon fiber. It's fabric. Soft, flexible, and completely useless.
And they have to store it in a freezer.
Because this fabric is pre-impregnated with a special epoxy resin.
It's sticked, and at room temperature, it will spoil itself in just a few days.
Instead of scissors, they use lasers to cut thousands of pieces. Like a 3D puzzle, worth $1 million. Because from this moment on, their greatest enemy. Which is why, just like the heart, the armor must also be born in a clean room. And this job, no robot can do.
They have to lay every single layer by hand.
Because they are fighting a nearly invisible enemy. An air bubble. Just one pin-sized air bubble creates a fatal weak spot. Just one pin-sized air bubble
Creates a fatal weak spot. The entire chassis would be thrown away.
This job takes 200 hours of manual labor.
After 200 hours, it's finished. And it's still soft as a blanket.
In this state, it is completely useless. So, how do you turn this blanket into armor?
After 200 hours, it's still soft as a blanket. Still useless. So, how do you turn this blanket into armor?
You don't dry it. You forge it.
Welcome to the autoclave. Basically, it's a pressure cooker from hell.
This is the autoclave. Basically, material, it's small, yeah. It's a giant pressure cooker.
This infernal machine!
Inside, it will bake the chassis at 180 degrees Celsius.
Under 6 times atmospheric pressure, every air bubble is crushed into nothing. And 12 hours later, the metamorphosis happens.
It's so light, 2 people can lift it.
Light as plastic, but 5 times stronger than steel.
We have the heart.
The surgery begins.
Merging the 700-kilogram heart with the armor.
They are allowed a margin of error of 0.5 millimeter.
If it's off. Hammer.
The car will tear itself apart at 400 kilometers per hour.
Body is one, but it is still a corpse. It has no life. It needs a nervous system.
A 3-kilometer-long technological braid, braided entirely by hand.
Watch the clearance on that edge.
Yeah, I see it. Pulling it through now, it cleared the P2 mount.
They must thread 3 kilometers of wire through a sealed carbon chassis.
Complex serger, but
Is it active?
just one failed connection, and the monster will never wake up. The body is here. The nervous system is connected, but it is still naked.
But you can't paint carbon. It's too smooth. Paint won't stick.
Foundation.
Bake.
Perfect. But it is mute.
Now, it's time to give it a
A roar!
Perfect. But it has 0 kilometers. It has never been alive.
Will the 5,000 connections work?
It doesn't start?
Has power. But is the armor by P2 sealed? The monsoon test.
Thousands of liters. The pressure of a 200 kilometers per hour storm.
If the armor P2 has a single, tiny leak, the fluorescent water will glow.
Perfect.
The final test. Was the surgery P3 precise?
Checking alignment. Was that half-millimeter tolerance met?
It passed every test. The piston test, the carbon, the paint test.
From a sand mold, it's no longer a machine. It has become a soul.
If you appreciate this level of engineering, hit that subscribe and bell icon.
And let us know in the comments, what machine's heart do you want us to explore next? Thank you.